Hi, off road riding is happiness. If you ask me why, I cannot exactly say, but I can share few things. Off road riding is not a regular thing, it is a challenge no one forced on us, it is observation. No judgment, just looking at what is in front of us and finding the smoothest line possible. I go through the crust and irregular plains on every section, on every line. I throw a question to my bike. Can we do it? The bike replies, I can. Can you? So it all comes to my control. We challenge each other. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes the terrain taunts us and leaves us with a few lessons. But both of us take it with both hands and move forward. The fall is never a failure. Do we stop? Never. We ride like a wave in the ocean. Sometimes the destination is unbothered. Sometimes we turn back, we exit midway, and that is also part of the ride. Because later, when I sit and think about the ride, it is not just about where we went, it is about the path, the line, the challenges we faced, the plans we made that failed, the assumptions that were never true. What were our limitations? How did we compensate for them? And what did the terrain teach us? Maybe that is what I love about off roading or off road riding. It is not just about riding through a difficult path, it is about experiencing it and understanding it later.